Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan Somi. I hope you are all doing great. Today we are going to try needle and yarn cornrows. If you like, you can call it needle and thread, which is basically the same thing. I have seen this style in so many channels and it was interesting to do. So for you to start, you need to have a needle and a yarn and put it in the end, in the beginning of your section here. So you can insert the needle from one end and let it come out from the other side. You can start by doing the kind of flat twist. So after maybe you do, let's say maybe 3 rounds, so you can take your needle and insert in one end, you take your needle, insert it in from one end and then to the middle of that section here, and then you pull out. Then you go to the other side, you insert the needle and let it come out in the middle of the same strand. Now you have to continue doing that for the rest of the hair. So as you can see, you insert it and then you pull it out from the middle of that section here, and you do it carefully because if you tighten it, the person will have difficulties with the hair because it will be too tight. And something else, as you can see, I'm inserting the needle from the end part, which is blunt. This will prevent any accidents from occurring. Yes, any accidents will be prevented. So after doing that, you need to continue with the same trend. I want to show you carefully how you can do it, and some of the challenges. If you've not pulled your hair nicely, you can have difficulties actually maintaining the part. You can also use this style when your hair is wet because it will be good enough for the yarn to hold onto. And you can also use styling gel on the edges of that section here so that it comes out neat and looking nice. For me here, I didn't use the styling gel because I was trying this style out to see just what will happen and how it will come out. And so far it's good. Actually, I can see the partitions nicely. And something else, I didn't want this hair to be kinda wet because my sister has a lot of hair on her head, and I don't know how it could have been, but I think this was just fine. Yes, so let's just finish this part and see how it will come out. You can also use smaller, you can partition the hair into any style you wish. Yeah, anything you wish, you can part it that way. And it's not a difficult style to do, and it doesn't take a lot of time. So as you can see here, I encountered a little bit of the challenge because the hair was becoming so much, and my thread, I don't know what happened to my thread, but this is normal. And something else I noticed is because I used a long thread in this, because I didn't want to start adding another thread in the middle of doing this style. And so I tried untangling that part, but it wasn't cooperating. So well, I said, why not continue with it, because it won't make such a big difference. So I just proceeded with the whole thing. As you can see, it was giving me a challenge pulling out after inserting the needle, but it wasn't so bad either way. Despite that, I think my cornrow was coming out so well. So here is at the back, and when you get at the back, the hair becomes too much because it's holding everything else from the front, and it's also becoming a little bit tiny. So in this case, I decided to just do the flat twist at the end, just to make sure that I have all the hair together, and also that will help me in finishing up that part of the hair and holding everything in place. So after that, I just cut that yarn and just twist it around that part of the hair so that it doesn't come out when I'm doing the rest of the hair. So that's how it came out looking. So I had done the rest of the hair, and now you can watch this slowly and see how I did it. So in this part, I think I miscalculated the steps, so I had to redo it again by just repeating the process so that I achieve what I want. As you can see, insert from one end till the middle and pull it out, then insert the needle at the other end and pull the yarn out. The same process continues. and that is amazing. And this is so easy and doable. It doesn't need a lot of your time. Just wanted to see how it was, and I think this side looks so nice. My camera was a bit far, so I couldn't manage to show you so well, but I think in this part you can see how this cornrow is so well done. Look at that pattern. Isn't it so nice? And then look at that. This was the work. And as you can see at the back, you can decide to do anything at the back. You can either decide to decide to use the hairband and just tie your part of your hair, or you can also use any hair extension to ensure that everything remains gorgeous. So this style, somebody can stay with it maybe for 2 weeks, it's okay, but anytime you wish, like having this hairstyle, you can manage to do it.